Testified in court against the man who raped me, and here's what happened. I have to get on the stand and testify 2 days from now about the man who raped me in 2011. Come to realize is that anticipating other people's judgment or expecting that other people are going to judge you, it blocks so much truth. I think that's the devil's game plan. Get a doubt in your head so that the truth will obscure itself. I don't care who judges me for what. Society judges women enough. If I was someone else in my story and I was watching a movie about my life, I would be rooting for my fucking character. So I'm going to tell the truth. Oh, today was the day of my trial, and I woke up vomiting left and right. I was shaking on the stand. I couldn't help but cry. But I did it. I did it. I faced my fears. I did it. I'm bigger than intimidation. The defense team had no defense, so they used most of their time attacking my mental health records. At one point, in closing arguments, the defense team told the jury, when Lauren Lowry experienced a violent household growing up, and she reported the rape when we asked her on a pain scale 10 out of 10. And then he went on to say that I had no lacerations, bruising, or bleeding in my vagina, so that how could it have been a 10 out of 10 if I had come from such a violent home? Can you think of more of a sick, twisted question? My attorney obviously brought up the fact that vaginas can withstand childbearing. That's no defense. That's no defense. That's bullshit. But I'm tough as nails. I got this, but you know what? It might take a while to unravel the vilifying things that were said about me. I'm tough. I got this. But I am tired. I'm not giving up. I've been trying to hold it in, and I've been trying to not be scared of it. I've just been thinking lately about how I could have left this situation in the dirt, and I could have just focused on my whole healing, but I had to make myself a target so that other women, people I don't even know, won't be targeted. And for that, so far, I've gotten a jury that I don't know what they think. I don't know if people believe me because I'm barely functioning and just thinking about the horrible, horrible, horrible statements made by the public defender. And my rapist's face, him following me around from room to room. I could be targeted for the rest of my life. Prosecution attorneys asked me if I wanted to go through it again. I told them, yeah, and that when they were saying that was brave, I was saying, gotta be 2 times stronger than the patriarchy at least. Apparently, I was up on the stand for about an hour and 50 minutes. And I only remember these here, there things. So, my lawyer asked me if I would be willing to drop the charge to a lesser sexual assault charge to see if they could do a plea deal. It sat there for a while, but finally, he took the plea deal. He pled guilty. Someone to become a
harder person by going to jail. I just wanted an admittance of the truth, and mostly I didn't have a stake in the outcome, and I didn't want to have a stake in the outcome. All my goal was to get up there and tell the truth and tell my story, and I did that. I saw the look of vacancy and, quite honestly, terror and fear in his eyes as I sat there and told the truth, and he had to grapple with what he had done and probably has done to many others. He was forced to sit there. Forced to sit there. Forced to be terrified. Except the difference of when he did it to me was that he was just forced to listen to words, to the truth. That's a very, very, very mild consequence, but that's the only consequence that I wanted. So, number one, mental health. Number two, trying to paint another woman as promiscuous. Number three, using past abuse to somehow justify present abuse. So number one, mental health. And all of it just to make the jury see me as crazy. That's it, plain and simple. Old tactic. But it opens up a sexual assault case to where prior sexual history can be talked about. They asked the judge if they could do that. I was in the courtroom when they asked that. The judge said no. The jury was brought back in. He was unable to ask any questions about my past sexual history. Number three, bringing up past abuse to try to justify present abuse. I don't even understand the fucked up thinking behind this. I just know I've had it happen to me a lot, seen it happen to other people, and it happened in that courtroom. It's the same concept as trying to attack someone because they're mentally ill. You're trying to say that someone is a liar. That's what all of it is about. This was because the rape kits are untested all across America. Part of me is glad that justice is happening after the Me Too movement. I don't know if 19-year-old me would have been able to do what 32-year-old me did, but I'm proud of 19-year-old me and 32-year-old me. I'm proud of 80-year-old me. I can't wait to know her.